Hey everybody, it's Neil and we're going to try this together. We have a cell phone case that we're going to try to put on our phone, and the way I'm doing this in my mirror, I don't know if it's going to work or not, but we'll try. So here is the case. Oops, sorry, I'm trying to rip it open as we're talking. Don't even know if my sound is going out. Okay, so here we go. So this is the case here. It looks like it's a nice leather case with a phone stand on it, but let's go ahead and put it in. And it fits my 14 Pro like a glove. It's pretty cool. It's got a phone stand, so let's see, what does this stand do? Ah, look at that, it pulls out so I can lean it up on something, so that's kind of cool. So I could have it like that, pretty cool. And then on the top here, you can see, I don't know if you can see, let me take it off again and I'll show you guys the features. So here we are off again, but you can see here it has the two little holes right here. I'll just go down here. You can see the holes, so I can put a little lanyard in it. You can see right through it. The lanyard will go into there, so that's good. It's got the place for the buttons, and it's got everything it needs, and the little back charging port underneath. So it's nice. It's pretty thin, and it looks nice and leather. So really cool little charging case. So I'm gonna say thumbs up on that.